Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create shake on your video with the flash and jitter effects on CapCut. So first, just add the clips that you want to edit and go to the video effect. Click on the nightclub category and first add the longitudinal jitter, the jitter effect here to your clips. Adjust the speed to only 35 and the blur intensity and longitudinal to 100. Click on the check icon. Now put the effect in between the clips like this. Oops. And then add the second effect, the vibration flash, that you can also found under the nightclub category, this one, and adjust the speed to 60 and intensity, glow and range to 100. Put it the same like the first effect and you are done. But if you have more than 2 clips, you can just repeat the steps for the rest of the clips, and this will be the result. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there, and also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks below. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.